Now we install the machine. Firstly, connect the handle holder. Now connect the handles. Then connect the power cord. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Now we choose the revive mode. Choose the vibrate handle. Set the treatment time. Set the rotate speed. And set the vibration energy. You can see here is the products. The gel and serum and the pumps. Now we connect the pumps. And put some gel on the skin. Now we just test on the hand. When doing treatment, it's mostly on the face or neck. Click start and press the handle button. Keep moving when doing treatment. You can adjust the energy according to customer feeling. Press the button to turn off. Now we replace this treatment. Wipe this. And put more gel on the skin. Press the handle button to start working again. Okay, now stop the treatment. Then choose the triple handle. Set the energy and set the treatment time. Click start. Press the handle button. Press the handle button to start working. Now we test the ultrasonic handle. Set the energy and click start. Press the handle button. Now we use some water to test this handle. And when doing treatment, also put it on the skin and keep moving. Okay.